Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth again. An investor is offering you rupees 50 lakh for 20% of your company. What does that actually say about what your business is worth? Before you say yes or negotiate, you need to know your valuation. So this calculator tells you that this is the startup valuation calculator by Upgrowth. It takes the investment amount and the equity percentage being offered and gives you your pre-money and post-money valuation, the two numbers that define what your startup is worth before and after the investment comes in. So it is built for founders preparing for funding rounds and anyone negotiating investment terms. So two inputs and you have the full picture. So let us understand the two inputs first. Investment amount is how much money an investor is putting into your business. Like I'm entering around 50 lakh here. And equity percentage is that which is offered as the share of your company you're giving the investors in exchange for that money. So I've entered 20% here. Now let's hit on calculate. So here your post money valuation is around 25 lakh. That is what your business is worth after the investment comes in. And pre money valuation is around 20 lakh. That is what your business was worth before the investor put in their money. So, and your equity percentage is confirmed as 20%, meaning the investor will own one fifth of your company. So, in simple terms, by accepting rupees 50 lakh for 20%, you and the investor are agreeing that the business is worth 2.5 crore today. That is the number you need to be comfortable with before you sign anything. So, valuation negotiations can feel confusing because investors and founders often speak in different terms. One talks about investment amount and the other about equity percentage. So, this calculator brings both into a single clear picture. If an investor offers rupees 1 crore for 40%, you can instantly see that implies a post money valuation of just 2.5 crore and decide whether that reflects your business true worth. Running different scenarios before a negotiation puts you in a much stronger position. So run this before every investor conversation and model a few different scenarios to know your floor. The link is in the description. And if you want help preparing for your funding round with a full growth strategy, Up Growth is right below. Click on it, get a growth consultation with us. We can help you out. Thank you.